Okay friends, good morning. Standard 11, subject OCM. Okay, and today we are again starting chapter number 1. Okay, up to chapter number 3 and chapter number 2. Okay, I already sent the videos, but right now we are going to start our first chapter. Okay, so the name of first chapter is Nature, Purpose and Scope of Business. Okay, as we know, commerce is equal to business. Okay, and this is the most important subject related to commerce. That is business organization and management. Okay, that's called OCM, Organization of Commerce and Management. Okay, so now we will start first chapter again today. Today we have covered various topics against of this chapter. Number one, that is economic activity. Okay. Second number, that is non-economic activity. Third topic, that is difference between both the activity, economic as well as non-economic activity. In that particular different, 4 points is included. Number one, that is objective. Second number, expectations. Third number, types. And fourth number, that is risk and uncertainty. Okay. Then next topic, that is various types of business activity. In various types, three types of business main legally. Three types of business activities there. Number one, that is business. Second one, that is job. And third one, that is profession. In short, you can remember it's BJP. Okay, it's not political party, but you can remember these three things in the easiest manner. And next topic, and that is meaning and characteristics of business. In that particular thing, 8 topics are included in characteristics which you saw here. That is objective of profit, exchange of goods and services, risk and uncertainty, creation of utility, continuous of activity, requirement of money, and last but not the least, that is economic activity. Okay, so this is the today's agenda that you are learn one by one all the topics. Okay, so very first topic, that is economic activity. It means that economic activity which is in term of money. Okay, so you can easy manner you can say that in terms of money. Okay, it means that whatever activity which you can measure in terms of money, that is called economic activity. Okay, so economic activity means an activity carried out with the objective of economic benefit, whether it is job, whether it is business, whether it is profession. So any activity, the main goal, the main object to earn money, that is called economic activity. Okay, for example, I am standing over here taking a lecture. Okay, so it's an economic activity because in against of it, I am taking salary. Same thing, any stationery shop maker, those who are sell the books, it's an economic activity. Why? Because in the exchange of books, what they are on, it's called on money. Same here, any profession, doctor, lawyer, chartered accountant, those who are providing services. Again, it's a business activity. Again, it's an economic activity because in a case of it, they charge money, they charge fee. Okay. So here, economic activity means that in short you can say that the activity which is carried out for the objective, the main objective is to earn economic profit. Objective of money, it is called economic activity. Second topic, that is non-economic activity. Non-economic activity, that means the activity which is carried out, the main objective is to not earn money, but the main objective is to service, provide the services. Okay, it means that non-economic activity. Okay, so in easiest manner you can say that non-economic activity means the activity which is carried out, the object of non-economic activity is neither monetary return of economic gain. It means that their main goal is to not earn money. Okay, that is called non-economic objective. For example, any social worker, and you can see any social worker, those who are provide services to the society. Okay, it's a non-economic activity. Second example, any mother. Okay, those who are survive his child. Okay, her child, that is called non-economic activity because their main goal is to not earn money. Okay, they are not charging any type of money in against of that activity. That is called non-economic activity. Okay, so here main goal in not on money, but the main goal is social service. Social service. Okay, the main goal is to social service. It means that provide service to the society. Okay, so this is the most important thing. Now we will discuss difference. Okay, third point, difference between economic as well as non-economic activity. Okay, so first difference is objective. So what is the main objective of economic activity? To earn money. Okay, so here the motive to get the economic benefit, and non-economic activity motive is social service, human service, or service to country. It means that in non-economic activity there is no motive of profit. Okay, it's only service. It means that in Gujarati you can say that seva. Okay, and you are provided many things in free. Okay, next to number 2, expectations. Okay, first topic that we completed. Second, expectations. Okay, so here what is the expectation of economic activity? So expectation is earn money. In simple terms you can say that earning of money, whether in terms of profit, in terms of salary, in terms of bonus, in terms of fee, whatever. Okay, so expectation is profit, salary, fees, and maximization of wealth. Maximization of wealth, that means you are increasing your value, you are increasing your assets. That is the main goal. Okay, and here in non-economic activity, what is the expectation? So only one expectation is there, that is service to society, service to country, and service to people. Next, number 3, types. So here the types of economic activity that you can see here, that is business, job, and profession. Okay, so here 3 types is there. Number 1, business. Number 2, job. And number 3, it's a profession. And in non-economic activity there is no type. Okay. And number 4, risk and uncertainty. So that you see. Okay, in business, in job, in profession, there are some risks. Okay. So here the risk remain risk and uncertainty. Okay, latest example that you can see, lockdown. Okay, because of coronavirus, many businesses are closed. Okay, many business was closed up to 60 days, 2 months. Okay, so that is risk, because no business transaction, no profit. Okay, so it's a risk and uncertainty in economic activity, but in non-economic activity there is no risk. Okay, so this is all about difference between economic as well as non-economic activity. So here 4 points are there. Number 1 point, that is objective. Profit is objective, monetary gain is objective. In non-economic objective there is no objective. Expectation, again monetary terms, monetary profit is the objective. In non-economic activity there is no objective. All objective is social service. Okay, not monetary objective. Types, 3 types: business, job, and profession. In economic activity, in non-economic activity there is no any types of non-economic activity. Next, number 4, that is risk and uncertainty. So in economic activity there are some risk, but in non-economic activity no risk is there. Okay, so this is the difference between economic and non-economic activity. Now next, the various types of economic activity, as we discussed right now. Okay, the various types of economic activity. So as we discussed here, there are 3 types of economic activity. Number 1, that is business. Second one, that is job. Third one, that is profit. Okay, so it means that this is only 3 types of legal economic activity. Okay, so number 1, that is business. Second one, that is job, and third one, it's a profession. Okay, so let us discuss one by one all the topics, and today we have covered only one topic, and that topic is business. Okay, so here the word business covers many things. Okay, the word business covers many things. Okay, that you can see here. Business, that means So business words come from English word busy. Okay, and this word that we can use in routine life. That I am busy. Okay, so here business word is derived from English word busy, which means that remain active or to be active continuously. It means that you are performing duty. You are active in some activity that is called a busy. And business were carried out from the motive of getting profit and wealth. Okay, so from the word of busy, business words comes out, and nowadays we are using that word in a general language. Okay, so the concept of business is related with the profit motive. Sometimes loss is incurred in the business even through it is an economic activity. As we discussed earlier, that economic activity main goal is to earn money, but sometimes what happens? Sometimes loss also there. Okay, because if you are doing not business well, loss is there, because when your selling price is less than cost price, definitely you face the loss. Okay, so this is all about business. So the definition, meaning and definition is that business means any legal economic activity with the motive of profit. Most important word, legal economic activity. Okay, so only legal activity are included in the business activity. Okay, so what do you mean by business activity? So business means any legal economic activity with the motive of profit. As we discussed, any person, those who are develop their business for the motive of only one thing, that is profit. Without profit, you cannot do anything. In business, without profit, business is nothing. Okay, so business is a legal economic activity for the profit of business, profit of any activity. Okay, so this is the meaning of business. Okay, so now the next topic is characteristics of business. And my dear friends, in any subject, in any chapter, in any topic, characteristics is based on their meaning. If you get the meaning, definitely you learn characteristics of anything in the easiest manner. Okay. So first of all, again, what do you mean by business? So business is a legal economic activity, the main objective of profit. Okay. So here, on the basis of meaning, now we understand the 7 points of characteristics of business. Now we will learn, we will study, we will discuss one by one all the points. Okay, so here I am starting first point, that is objective of profit. As we discussed, friend, the main goal of any business, the main objective of any business is profit. Okay, in simple terms you can say that profit is equal to sales minus cost. Okay, whatever selling price is there, if you are deducting all the cost from the sales, the result is profit. And sometimes, as we discussed earlier, sometimes you are facing loss also. Why you are making loss? If the cost is higher and sales is lower, then you can face the loss. But normally, the main objective of any business is profit. Okay, because in any business, that you can see, in any business, sales price is always higher than cost price, and that is why any businessman on the profit. Okay, so here objective of profit, and you can understand. The fundamental objective of business is to obtain profit through economic activity. In absence of profit, there is no possibility of business. If you are remove profit word from the business, business is just like nothing. Profit is essential to continue the business. The goods are sold at the price higher than the cost price. It is called profit. That we discussed earlier. Selling price is higher than cost price, then you can get a profit. And next one, the efficiency of business is measured with the measurement of profit. Which business is best? Which business is good? That you can measure on the basis of profit. Okay, and that's why business is a barometer of, profit is a barometer of business. Okay. Number 2. exchange of goods and services. See, goods, that means physical things. It means that chalk, duster, fan, projector, etc. It's called goods. Service, that means it is not goods that you cannot see but you can feel. For example, transportation, communication, banking system. Okay. Again, mobile recharge, it's a service. Okay. So here, when goods and services exchange from one party to another party, then economic activity is done. Without exchange of goods and services, it is not called an economic activity. Exchange of goods and services take place when goods and services are sold either by manufacture or by purchasing. Either I am businessman, suppose I am businessman. Two types of things are there. Either I am purchasing any goods from any distributors, any sellers, and sell to customers. Number one. Otherwise, I am making that product, I am producing that product and sells in a customer, in a market. Next one. Goods in physical form and services invisible and intangible from exchange. A company manufacturing electronic equipment is a physical goods, with the company of providing electric services. It's a service. It's the exchange of service. Okay. So this is the 2 point. Objective of profit, and second one, exchange of goods and services. Number third, risk and uncertainty. As we discussed earlier, in the economic and non-economic activity, there is some risk in economic activity, because when you start a business, you have to invest your money as a capital. Okay, then you learn in accountancy also. Okay, so any businessman, those who are starting the business and investing their money in forms of cash, in forms of assets, in forms of goods. And sometimes what happens? General expense is there to continue the business. And if you are not making good money in terms of sales, definitely risk and uncertainty is there. There are various types of risk and uncertainty there. Okay. Let us take the one example. Okay. For example, this lockdown. Okay. Risk is there because some products are there. Those who are not durable products, not using long-term products. 2 months there is no business. At that time, you are in risk. Okay, you are in risk and uncertainty is there. Let's see. Business involves risk and elements of uncertainty of returns. It involves man-made risk like fire, accident, strike of employee, loot, robbery, theft, change in preference, decrease in demand, change in lifestyle of public, taste, habit, competition, change in technology, etc. So this is the 2 types of risk is there. Number one, man-made, and second one, that is nature. Okay, so here second one, that is natural. It means that tsunami, earthquake, okay, storm are also involved. All the risk advisory affect the income of the business. The return of business become uncertain due to various risks. As we discussed, because of risk, return is uncertain. If you are doing business, sometimes you are making the profit in month of 10,000, 12,000, 15, 20. Sometimes you are making loss also. Okay, so it's uncertainty of income. Number 4, creation of utility. It means that you are creating utility. 3 types of utilities there. Number 1, that is form. Number 2, place. And number 3, that is time. Okay, form utility. It means that when you are convert raw material into finished good, it's called form utility. Okay, place utility. When you are transport the goods from manufacturing plant to your godown, that's called place utility. And number 3, that means time utility. It means that when you are use the products and manufacture the products, the difference between time, that is called time utility. Okay, so here creation of utility. Any businessman creating 3 types of utility. Number 1, that is form utility, transport of goods from raw material to business. Number 2, that is place utility. It means that transportation of goods from manufacturing plant to godown. And third number, time. It means that when you are send the unit to the customer, duration of time. Okay, so 4 point that we discussed. Number one, that is objective of profit. Second one, exchange of goods and services. Third one, risk and uncertainty. And fourth, creation of utility. The fifth point related to business characteristics is continuous of activity. See, in any business, continuous is required. Continuity is required because when you stop the business, customer is not coming regularly. Okay, think about that. If you are starting a business of stationery, okay, opening the stationery shop, 1 week that you are continue the business. Again, 3 days stop. Again, 3 days open your shop. So definitely you cannot create your image. You cannot create your goodwill in the market. So any activity, any business activity is one thing is need, and that is continuous. Continuously you have to do the business. Okay, then you can see in this lockdown effect. Okay, many businesses are closed. So new business, when new business are started before 6 to 12 months, they facing the difficulty to again create a market in the again create their market in a regular market. Okay, so let's see. Transactions are carried out regularly and continuously in the business. Business in ongoing monetary activity. So ongoing, continuously you have to do. Okay. A businessman does the activity of purchase and sales of continuously with the objective of profit. If a trader or producer constructs the building for his residence and later on sell, it is on profit, it is not a business. It means that when you are doing a business, your main activity is considered as a business. Let us example. For any stationery shop maker is there. They are selling, purchasing and selling of stationery, it's called business. But for example, they are invest their money in property. For example, purchase a house. And after the 12th month, if he is selling the house and on profit, it is not considered in a business activity. It is not considered in a regular activity. Okay. Next one, because the activity of purchase and sale of building is not a regular or continuous activity for him. Okay, so what is the main goal? What is the main activity of the business is only considered in the continuous activity, and business activity is always a continuous activity. Number 6, requirement of money. This is the simple that we can see the characteristics of business. Requirement of money. If you want to start any business, even not only start the business, if you want to think about business, requirement of money is there. Okay, so without money, without investment, you cannot start a business. Okay, let's see. Money is required from the beginning to the end of business. Money is required to manufacture finished goods from raw material in the factory and also by a trader to purchase a goods. If you want to purchase any goods, money is required. Okay, without money you cannot start a business. And last but not the least, 7th point, that is economic activity. Okay, that we learn in first topic, economic activity. Business is already related to the money. Okay, because profit is included, so it's an economic activity. Okay, so let's see last point. Business is a part of economic activity undertaken with the motive of making profit through earning. Because in the business, the main goal is to earn money, earn profit, and that is why in terms of money, it means that earning of money, it is called economic activity. And that is why business is an economic activity. So here 7 points are included in the characteristics of business. Number 1, objective of profit. Number 2, exchange of goods and services. Number 3, risk and uncertainty. Number 4, creation of utility. Number 5, continuous of activity. Number 6, requirement of money. And number 7, economic activity. Okay friends, thank you.